Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic as Constructor in Java programming language. Let's see the topic. Here the definition is a constructor is a special member function of a class that is automatically invoked when an object is created. Okay, it means the constructor is a special member function. Okay, the constructor is a special member function. We don't want to call that constructor specifically. Okay, when we're going to create an object, automatically it will initiated. Okay, the key features are the of the constructor as the class name same as the constructor name. The class name same as the constructor name, does not have any return type. It does not have any return type. The return type means it may be a int or void. Okay, and then it is used to initialize the object. The constructor used to initialize the object. Okay, already we seen in our definition, when an object is created, it will automatically invoked. Okay, here I give a syntax for the constructor. Okay, class name, public is a access specifier, the class name is a constructor. Okay, already we know the class name and also our constructor name are same. Okay, so we create a constructor, it's a specific member function. Okay, the constructor also have a same name, same class name. Okay, the class name also class name, and then our constructor name also class name. Okay, here the definition, declare inside a class, execute automatically when an object is created. The simple flowchart for a constructor is type of constructor. The first one is static constructor, default constructor, parameterized constructor, private constructor, and then the copy constructors. Okay, these are all the types of the constructors. And the first one is we're going to see about parameterized constructor. Okay, the parameterized constructor is a constructor that accepts the arguments to initialize an object specific values. Okay, it have a specific value to initialize the objects. Okay, this is called as the parameterized constructor. Okay, here I give a simple example. I give a syntax for the parameterized constructor. The class name. The class name is example. Here I declare here the public int num, and then the example is a constructor. Already we know, we see the class name and the constructor name is same. Okay, so example is the class name and also the constructor name also the example. Okay, here I passed one parameter int x. Okay, the x value is num equal to x, close this is okay. Here I give a simple example program for the parameterized constructor. In class name, okay, I create a class and the class name is student. The string, the variable is name, it's declared as a string. Okay, the variable name age is declared as a integer. Okay, in the student. Okay, then create a constructor, parameterized constructor, as the name is student. I pass the two values. Okay, I pass the two parameters, string n comma string a. Okay, string n, the n value stores into the name and a value stores into the age. Okay, here I declare one method for printing this name and age. Okay, so void display, the display is a method name. Okay, the main function, in this main function I have passed the values for the parameters. Okay, the string parameter for the name alias and the age is 20. Okay, the s1 is the, here the s1 is the object of the class, so s1 dot I call the display method return 0. Okay, advantages of and then we're going to see advantages of parameterized constructor. Okay, it allows the object initialize with the specific values. Okay, it is used to initialize the objects with the specific values, reduce the needed for the sector methods. It is reduce the needed for the sector methods. It improves the code efficiency and reliability. It improves the code efficiency and reliability. The conclusion for this topic is the constructor automatic object initialization. Okay, the constructor automatically initialize the object. The parameterized constructor provides the flexibility for the program. Okay, the parameterized constructor provides the flexibility for the program. Best practice. The best practice is use the parameterized constructor for meaningful object creation. The parameterized constructor for meaningful, it's create a meaningful object. Okay, I hope all you have understand the topic of constructor. Okay, thank you all.